What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and look what has arrived in the studio here at Android Stud. That's right, the new iPhone 14 Pro Max in that deep purple. That's right, this thing is just a sight to see. Feast your eyes on this beauty. Look at that screen. I haven't taken off the screen protector yet, but that thing is beautiful. 48 megapixel camera on the back, along with some other goodness. Got the new dynamic island. You got the satellite calling. You got crash detection. But look at this beauty, huh? Look at this thing. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the 256 gigabyte version. We're gonna go ahead and remove Ooh, don't you love that noise? Look at this thing. This is a thing to feast your eyes on. A16 chip. So you got the new processor from Apple. We're gonna go ahead and power this on. This thing's an absolute gorgeous beauty. Now, as you know, I'm Android Stud, but I had to check out this phone because there's been a lot of talk, a lot of hype. Looks like there's delays until October, maybe November, to get your hands on the iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max. They also came out with the 14 and also the iPhone 14 Plus, but the Plus will come out a little later in October. But I just wanted to show you that deep purple in the video so you guys can see. And look at that, huh? Hello, isn't that nice? Yeah, this is a beautiful phone. Now it features the new dynamic island, which is right there. And we're gonna do some videos and we're gonna check that out. Also, setting this sucker up, I'm gonna do a video because I'm coming from my Z Fold 4 on T-Mobile that I'm gonna have to set up, take the SIM out of this. This is a physical SIM, it's not eSIM. But remember, this is going to be eSIM. So be ready, no worries. But this is absolutely a beautiful device. They dropped it off UPS and I'm excited. I'm gonna set this up and we'll get into more of this, but listen, let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is the beautiful deep purple version. You got the triple cameras on the back, telephoto, wide angle, ultra wide, 48 megapixel camera. You got it all with this phone. And you got that beautiful 200 nit display. So you get that, all that beautifulness that's just gonna happen. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this phone. Did you get the black? Did you get the deep purple, or did you get a different color? Because this thing is awesome. And remember, hit that thumbs up button. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that notification bell so when you know when videos like this are coming. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and I'll be back. I'm probably gonna show you how to set up eSIM. I'm gonna go through some of the features of the dynamic island, all that good stuff. But thanks so much for watching. That is the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro Max in that deep purple. Ooh-wee, beautiful.